In this video, I'll be showing you how you can post on Facebook and also add music. Yeah, very simple. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. To do that, let's just come on top here and try to select this to try posting. And now let's use the first image. So now let's use the first image available. Let's just tap on that. Good. Our image is here, so it's necessary. And then you can see add music. You just tap on the add music and you select your preferred music. You can use trending music. So to add the song, you just tap on the song like this, royalty free. Just tap on the song like that. And now you pause it and now you tap on the done here. Good. So the music has been added. Yeah. So I can add a high. I think it's done. Yeah. So you can see the music has been added there. Now I proceed to post and I should make it public. So now our post is fully loaded and you can see the music is being added. Very much simple. So when you tap on this, it's going to play. So that's it on how you post on Facebook and add music. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.